Welcome to the CYTK demo. We begin by bringing a vehicle into context. In the upper left, you have the ability to scan a VIN or select it by year, make, model, engine, and trim. I'm going to select the 2013 Ford that I've put into context already. And we have three different ways you can search. I'm going to begin with our quick views. In the lower menu in the screwdriver and wrench, we have 5 different summaries: the quick service summary, fluid capacity specs, AC specs, brake rotor specs, and torque specs. So the quick service summary consolidates about 17 different relevant key data points for quick service items. If you go to AC specs, it's got all the different fluid specs that you need. If you're looking for brake rotor specs, discard thickness, and second, you have that as well. The next way to search is the voice capability. Let me show you a couple quick hitters there. Estimate to replace drive belt. And within seconds, there's your estimate. Wheel lug nut torque specification. And you can just see how quick those are. Now the third way to search is the keyword search, the blue button. I open up the keyword. Let's say I'm looking for a serpentine belt routing diagram. I just go to specs, type in serpentine, and within seconds I have access to that serpentine belt routing diagram. There you go. I'm going to bounce over to procedures. Let's say I'm looking for an engine gasket, the front engine cover gasket. And within seconds, that's the second card there. And for our service procedures, there's 3 sort of components. So in the center there, that's the OEM step-by-step instructions. In the lower figures tray are the different graphics that come with that. You can pinch and zoom on any of those. And then at the very top, in addition, the red button, you click there and it gives you access up to 5 different relevant YouTube videos to your search criteria. Now I'm going to bounce over to parts and labor for that same front engine cover gasket. And again, within seconds, I have access to that front engine cover gasket estimate. There's your retail labor time, your OEM part number, and your OEM MSRP pricing. The little lower figures drawer in blue at the bottom, that's your parts vector. Just tap it and it gives you the legend. Now I'm going to go down to wiring diagrams. And within seconds you can access that. So I'm going to look up a body control module. And there's your body control module. And this brings back the 6-page graphic of that. And you can pinch and zoom on any of these items. You'll notice that you have the print capability in the lower right. We also have the ability to go technical service bulletins. Let's say you're looking for an issue with misfire. Just type in the keyword misfire, and there's your technical service bulletin. And again, on any of these, pinch and zoom, as well as print capability. And then we also have the diagnostic trouble codes. Let's type in a P0234. And we actually have the procedure. In Ford's case, they give sort of a 2-tier. The first item gives you the description, possible cause, and it points you to a pinpoint test. In the lower tray in the bottom there, it actually has the different pinpoint tests. So I can go to HN, and it returns the 15-page document with the step-by-step instructions in the pinouts. And again, pinch and zoom capability as well as print. So that's it. Again, it's all about helping technicians be more efficient.